Bullish solicitation cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 38 cents and 82 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept REQ could reach 38 cents by 2025. Bearish solicitation market cost expectation for 2022 is 6 cents. Demand presentation. The universe of digital currency is turning out to be progressively nuanced, with advancements happening across many chains, monetary forms, and stages. Different issues upset the objective of decentralization, for example, information traffic, convoluted cycles, and security issues. Among said issues comes the instance of smoothed-out installments. Demand was laid out as a stage to make the installments framework less convoluted. In this all-encompassing aid, we cover the advantages of putting resources into the REQ token, the stages specialized in major central issues, and give our solicitation cost expectations. We will be taking a gander at the base cost esteem, normal cost, specialized examination, greatest cost, normal gauge cost, normal exchanging cost, and most extreme worth. What is solicitation? The significant expenses of working on digital money stages for the most part emerge in the installments component. Outsiders which moderate money trades into different worldwide monetary standards charge a strong expense for changes. Notwithstanding, solicitation changes the game by taking out the requirement for outsider transformation frameworks and wallets. Through solicitation, the clients send data, for example, the installment owed and the client to which the solicitation is to be sent. The installments can be made and sent through straightforward demands or invoiced through different means. As the local badge of solicitation, the REQ token is utilized to drive all organization demands. The solicitation stage's attractiveness is what we consider while making our potential solicitation cost expectation. The most common way of mentioning installments on digital currency stages wasn't really the most smoothed out. However, with solicitation, clients can send solicitations and agreements. Demands for charging are moved when the agreement is finished, which keeps the cycle formal and essentially dodges misrepresentation. Since the stage empowers clients to save data on all exchanges, clients are better coordinated regarding installments and so forth. Eliminating outsider transformation and installment handling charges results in a less expensive crypto experience, particularly for fledgling clients who are as of now betting their cash in an unstable market, since most worldwide monetary standards are covered under solicitation. Yet others are being empowered. Solicitation as a stage considers crypto exchanging around the world. Considering this broad market access, our solicitation cost forecasts pursue a positive direction. Demand venture. The vision of solicitation's originators, Christophe Lachaite and Etienne Tatter, was to make a stage that smoothed out installments while keeping up with security and protection. In that objective, solicitation has been out and out commendable, since changing over computerized installments into customary installments is facilitated without galactic charges and commissions paid to outsiders. Solicitation stays an attractive and productive undertaking. While the cost of solicitation has stayed unpredictable given the idea of the market, upwards drifts in the future portray productive solicitation cost expectation. Since outsider contribution is controlled, the solicitation stage covers security arrangements utilizing Ethereum and IPFS. Clients and diggers pay just exchange charges for the stage's better transactability and local area-driven administration. Demand is right now worth 8 cents USD. REQ has moved 1.14% as of now with an exchanging volume of $6,487,060. Demand is right now positioned 180 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $85,240,679 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for solicitation to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Demand Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, solicitation REQ cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of REQ will before long outperform 21 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the REQ's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, REQ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 16 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 18 cents. Demand Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 29 cents and REQ might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. REQ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 27 cents and a low of 25 cents in 2024. Demand Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that solicitation effectively helps market opinion among digital money aficionados, the REQ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, REQ will be green in 2025. The REQ is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 38 cents, with a base cost of 33 cents and a typical cost of 35 cents. Demand Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the REQ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 44 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 42 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, REQ has a greatest value worth of 46 cents. Demand Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 52 cents. On the off chance that REQ figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 55 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help REQ needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 50 cents. Demand Value Expectation 2028. While REQ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 59 cents and a yearly cost close above 63 cents in 2028. Demand Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, solicitation will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 67 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 71 cents. Averaging out at 69 cents. Demand Value Expectation 2030. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme REQ cost in 2030 is projected to be 82 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 79 cents. Demand conventions speculation potential is huge, making the REQ token a sought-after coin. The stage emphatically improves on installment components while guaranteeing security and offers change frameworks, making it the conceivable PayPal of the digital currency world. Since installments on decentralized frameworks, like B2B installments, administration, IoT, and so on, are worked on through solicitation, it has colossal development potential. The upset instruments it offers for installment tasks can't be put into words and are gradually starting to be acknowledged as a practical type of installment and change administration. The group at solicitation is continually fostering the stage's true capacity, consequently expanding its reasonability as a speculation choice over the long haul. What is the solicitation cost today? Today, solicitation is exchanging at 8 cents with a complete market capitalization of $85,240,679. Is solicitation a wise speculation? Demand ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is shrewd to say that REQ is a decent decision of speculation. How high can demand go? The typical